Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the map not referenced error in Avenza Maps. So if your imported map opens but doesn't show your GPS location, then just follow along. The map not referenced message usually means the map doesn't contain geospatial information. First, you need to verify that you're importing a properly georeferenced map. And if you downloaded the map from another source, you need to check that it's compatible with Avenza Maps. If you created the map yourself, you need to georeference it using mapping software before importing it again. Next, you need to delete the non-referenced map and import the corrected version. Also, make sure location services are enabled for Avenza Maps. And once you open a properly referenced map, your GPS location should appear normally. So that was how to fix the map not referenced error on Avenza Maps. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.